In this video, we're going to look at how to create an event that will show up on the home page, like our CSD event here. So you're going to go into the dashboard, you'll go to this events here, and then you'll click on Add New. So you're going to add your new event. And then we'll give it a name. I'm going to call it President's Awards. I am going to delete this afterward. And so, this on April 10th, 2019 for the President's Awards, RSVP today. Just something silly to put there. Then we're going to want to put, you're going to want to put, like we do with the Viv slider, you're going to want to put, here it is, a featured image. And for this featured image, I'm going to use this one. Hopefully that'll work. And so, oh, you've got to put the start date and time. So we'll go to 2019, we'll go to April, and oh, it must be April 9th. And then it's from noon to 2. And if you want to put, you can put the venue in there. So we'll put the venue in there as Manchester Country Club. Let's see if it finds it. It's in Bedford. Right? Is that it? That must be it, right? And you can add the maps and things like that. You can put organizers in there if anybody's an organizer. If there's going to be a specific website or cost, you can add all of those things in there. And once that's done, the only other thing you need to do, you should always put an event category in. So just a CC&H event, if it's a conference, CSD meeting, or workshop, you can add that. But the most important thing in order to get it to display is you need to put a display order. If you put 2001 for your display order, it should show up right behind the last event that was posted. So let's go ahead and update that. And let's see if once it's updated, if it's on the home page. Let's see. As you can see, it's there on the home page. It comes before the September 21st. So we could make it, if it comes before and you want it after, oh, see, it says 2036. It should say 2001. I don't know how it got changed. Maybe I made a mistake. And then once, let's see, when we refresh it, if we can refresh it again. Just waiting for the other page to save. Okay, we're just going to refresh this and see if it shows up after the September 21 for event. As you can see, now it's in the place it should be in. So giving it this 2001, if you give every single event 2001, what'll happen is it'll go in order that they were submitted. So the first thing you submitted, so for example, I did September 21st, that will come first. Then anything that's created after that will come after, even though you're using the same exact order number. That order number just helps it to get it in a particular order. If you wanted it to be like that higher number you see, if we had the 2036, if you want it to be in front of the September, like if you wanted this here, then you would give it a higher number than the 2001. Otherwise, it just falls right in line. So that's how you do a featured event.